Okie dokie. Hey guys, it's Joshy VSCD, and today I am doing an unboxing. It's not a very exciting unboxing, but you know, haven't had a good speaker for a while. So it is the Bolse Smart NFC Bluetooth speaker SZ-801. Yes. I got this for about £30 off Amazon, reduced from 50. So yeah, I was pretty happy with the deal. But anyway, enough of me rambling on. Let's get down to business. But yeah, I do like the packaging. Packaging's very nice. What is it with the packaging though? Every time someone does an unboxing, you hear rambling on about the packaging. That's not really what you're interested in. But anyway, yeah, so we'll open it. Just slide this just out of here. Just like that. Alright, don't need that. And next, yep, just here we go. Very well made box, have to say. Slide this out. Oh, okay, it is wrapped in, I have no idea what this is. Wrapped in that. Just put that to the side for a minute. Wrapped in this. Very nice if you ask me. It's a bit wrinkled, but it's very nice. But look, if you compare that to the size of my hand, that's pretty nice size. Not too big, not too small, easily portable. And yeah, let's just take it out. Oh, it's facing towards me. So, along the back, you'll see on-off switch, auxiliary in, and the USB charging port, micro USB charging port. It has NFC, it is also Bluetooth, and can be wired. We've got answer call button, previous track, play and pause, next track, volume down, volume up, and yeah. So hang on, what does it do when you turn it on? It might not even have charge, so this might not work. And it works. I think this features two 40mm 6-watt drivers, and yeah, so
pairing.
It's not too bad for a little speaker like this. It just said pairing. My Bluetooth isn't on my phone, so I have no idea what it's doing. So yeah, I will turn this off for now, and I will see you in a bit when I test it. Okie dokie guys, I am back, and the Bluetooth on my phone is now on. I have scanned for the device, and it comes up under SZ-801, which is the model of the speaker. So if we just click that,
pairing,
and it has
connected.
There we go. Speaker says it all. Right, let's test the sound quality. So let me find a probably uncopyrighted song. Give me a minute. Got one. Okay. Okay, so we'll put this to, I don't know, we'll take it to volume 10 on my phone. I don't know what it's on this, so we'll just click play. There we go. Okay, that's as loud as it'll be on the speaker. Okie dokie. Right, I'll just turn that down a bit to 1. So yeah, it's pretty good. That's not even as loud as it goes. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it informative. Let me remind you what the model is. It is the Bolse SZ-801. That's it. And there you go. Again, hope you enjoyed the video. and found it informative. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace.